Hello, my name is Aaron. I'm a personal trainer at NPTI Orlando. Today we're going to go over the sliding core discs, a couple exercises we're going to do, the lunges and the mountain climbers. These things are good for your balance and some core strength. And today we have Sarah here. She's going to explain, or she's going to show you how to do a lunge. When you're doing the lunge here, obviously you have two sides of this. Sarah's going to keep her core tight. She's going to try and stay stable. She's going to go back to where she can comfortably reach back without falling forward and dragging her toe in. She go down until she can comfortably reach back, keeping her core tight, her chest proud, bringing her feet back in. Okay? Another exercise we're going to do is going to be the mountain climber. So Sarah's going to put her hands down in the push-up position, and she's going to drag her feet up to where her knees are coming to her chest. This is engaging the core, and it's also going to get a nice little burn in the legs.
Side angle.
There you go. And the sliders are just going to go across the ground. Okay? This can be done on the carpet, on the hardwood floors. You turn them upside down. That's the hardwood side, and then that would be the carpet side. Thank you for shopping.